Most of the time, folks, when they're going out, they know what they're doing and they have a really good game plan, but those emergencies take place and the conditions can't matter. You have to just be ready to go. The data would suggest that after that first 24 hours of someone being out, the likelihood of them coming back uninjured or alive just starts to really drop off. Got to be able to rely on your gear, your level of organization, because not only am I thinking about the victim, I have to be a good teammate. And if I'm not organized, I'm making them less efficient. And when you start to lose out on all these efficiencies and you're adding time, you're losing opportunities. Getting eyes on the mountain or the area that you're searching as fast as possible is one of the most critical aspects to being a SAR member. Got a little track, a little bit of sign. I'm gonna mark this off. Let's make a line and get on line right here. Thinking about how much of an impact search and rescue teams make because they are a professional team. That's one of the key parts of that. Being a professional team implies we're organized, we're efficient, and we're able to conduct ourselves at a level a little bit above that of just the public standard. There's only a few things separating us as responders from being a victim ourselves. You know, those people responding to that situation are just as subject and just as human as you are, which makes them as subject to the conditions that that victim's facing as anyone else. I believe that the TruckVault drone responder unit would be a great solution for a search and rescue team. I mean, the public has that expectation of first responders, as they should, that we're going to conduct our business professionally and efficiently.